Hey guys, in today's videos, I'm going to show you how to go from a mango to a tree. First things first, eat the mango.
Alright, once you've eaten your mango, you want to clean it off the best you can. Once you've gotten it as clean as you can get it, what I usually do is put it inside of a paper towel, and I get just a butter knife, and take the back side of the butter knife, not the serrated edge, but the back side, and I just kind of rub it against it. Kind of flatten it out, gets kind of the juices and the threads away. And then what I'll usually do is stick it in between the shell, just pry it open. You may have to do this several times to finally get it open. Kind of move it along the edge. And then you take your fingernails, you can pry it open just like that. And then you got your seed.
Alright, once you got your seed out of the shell, you're going to stick the pointy end in the bottom of a glass, and then you're going to fill up the water halfway up the seed, and then you'll stick it in a bright location in your house. It doesn't have to be in direct sunlight, just make sure it's in a bright location. And you don't need to really worry about the paper skin that's on it. It'll kind of grow out of that, and once you see it start peeling off, you can just peel it off from there. Alright, eventually your seed's going to grow roots. It's going to grow a little stalk with leaves on it, and you want to make sure there's enough roots on it before you transplant it into dirt. So this one probably needs maybe another week or so before I transplant it into dirt. When you're transplanting it into soil, you want to just use regular potting mix is what I use, and it works just fine. And you want to make sure you keep the dirt moist for like the first week or so, because they're just coming from straight water to dirt, so if you let it dry out, the roots might shrivel and die, so you want to make sure you keep that soil moist so that it can stay alive. And you want to make sure to kind of give it indirect sunlight, maybe direct sunlight only for a few hours while it's getting established, and then from there it'll keep growing and it'll do well. If you're lucky enough, it'll keep growing into a tree, and hopefully it'll just keep growing and growing for you, and eventually you'll get yourself a mango. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please hit the like button. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.